Fix in 5. Let's decode P0429. Heated catalyst control circuit malfunction, bank 1, oxygen sensor heat. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, possible catalyst inefficiency, increased emissions, potential slight performance loss, vehicle may pass emissions testing despite fault presence. Now the most likely causes. Faulty heated oxygen sensor, upstream, bank 1. Damaged oxygen sensor heater element. Wiring issues in heater circuit, open. Corrosion. Failed oxygen sensor connector or connector pins. Here's how a pro pins it down. Do not replace the catalytic converter immediately. Avoid condemning the ECM too quickly. Always check for OEM technical bulletins. Don't overlook fuses and relays. Carefully reseat connectors. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 45.95 doing it yourself, or Euro 85.135 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace upstream oxygen sensor, bank 1, most common fix. Repair or replace damaged wiring in heater circuit. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace blown fuse or relay if applicable. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Will P0429 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0429 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0429. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.